GoPro is getting ready to release its latest action camera, the Hero 13. And GoPro needs to deliver riding back the success of the Hero 12. The success story behind the Hero 12 was its versatility and impressive features like smooth 5.3K resolution with HDR, hyper-smooth stabilization for shake-free footage, and a rugged, lightweight design. But the thrill-seeking community never rests, and rumors about the GoPro Hero 13 are already swirling. It's safe to say that the Hero 13 will have many of these features, maybe even more. So let's see. If we believe the rumors, the Hero 13 will have some great upgrades from its previous model. The image quality is expected to be better, including improved image quality and video stabilization to keep your videos steady and smooth. This is because the Hero 13 might have a new camera sensor ditching the old one from 12, with a significant bump in photo resolution, reaching up to a mighty 32 megapixels. This translates to capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments in incredible detail, allowing you to zoom in and crop photos without sacrificing quality. But that's not all about the camera, as the sensors will have amazing image stabilization technology to prevent any shaky footage. The battery life is improved too, so that you can do recording for a long period on a single charge. The Hero 13 might deliver just that with a rumored extended battery life. However, talking about changes, it might still follow the same pattern as its predecessor as in design, so we can expect the GoPro 13 to include the same rugged dual-screen design language with somewhat similar weight. Might a little more because of the bulky sensors. The Hero 12 offered impressive resolution capabilities, but the Hero 13 might push the boundaries even further. An upgraded 5K resolution at 30 FPS, perfect for capturing those cinematic landscapes in all their glory. This will ensure buttery smooth slow-motion action sequences. The Hero 13 might boast a 4K recording option at a whopping 120 FPS, allowing you to slow down the action and savor every detail of that perfect trick or daring jump. But what will be under the hood of the Hero 13 to power it through? Well, the next GoPro Hero 13 action camera may receive a significant internal improvement. There are whispers that GoPro could be packing their brand new GP3 processor into it. If it's true, then this could unlock insane 8K video recording and way better heat management during those intense shoots. Lastly, taking it to the extreme wild for those who love exploring, the Hero 13 could increase in waterproofing to a depth of 10 meters. This opens up a world of possibilities, but moreover that it's a promise of durability. So don't worry about getting it wet. The Hero 13 is waterproof up to a record 10 meters. GoPro has a tradition of unveiling their newest flagship camera each September. Following this pattern, we can expect the highly anticipated GoPro Hero 13 to be officially announced in September 2024. And that's all the rumors we have about the GoPro Hero 13. Tell us, this upgrade a hit or a miss in the comments below. And please subscribe to our channel for more.